Hi, welcome to Incubate Hub. I'm Sean, and I'll be showing you how you can create your product or brand's presence in our curated community of 40,000 plus corporate professionals who are looking for innovative solutions. Generate the qualified leads that you can confidently convert into your startup champions within their organizations by engaging them on our platform. Let me now walk you through the process of how you can generate 150 to 200 qualified corporate interests with us. To begin, your startup will have to register for the free trial. Once an Incubate Hub moderator accepts your trial request, you will receive an email granting you organization manager rights for your business page on our platform. Click on Accept and Get Started to begin the onboarding process. To make things easier, we've provided an option to invite other members in your startup to collaborate with you in the onboarding process. To begin, let's learn more about your potential audience. Fill the following form to bring up a live count of your potential audience size. Select your focus groups, domain, technology, industries, location, and much more in the fields given below. This step of research helps you better understand the different types of prospects that you can target. Based on your selections, you will be able to see 4 types of prospects. They are best fit, who are those prospects which are highly relevant for you; proactive prospects, who are those prospects who are still relevant for you but lesser than best fit due to their level of activity on our platform; live prospects, who are those prospects with high response rates; and finally, other prospects, who are those prospects with moderate response rates but are still a great choice for your campaigns. Once done, click on Confirm and Proceed. In this next tab, you will have to fill up your organization's details. With this, you can build your startup's presence on our curated global community and get qualified leads. First, fill up your startup's details. The tagline and the elevator pitch are the most important here because this is visible in your emails, user dashboards, and when you share your business page's link through social platforms. Finally, the welcome email. Make your audience feel more welcome and connected with you by sending out a customized email when they register on your business page. Check all fields again and then just hit on Save and Publish. Empathize with your prospects' problem statements and convert them into clients by adding use cases. A use case is a problem-first approach where you address the need of the solution rather than purely the solution itself. An easy-to-fill form is presented to you. After filling up a couple of fields, you're done. You can add more use cases through the form below. Give credibility to your solutions and claims by posting case studies. A case study is a very powerful tool in this regard. Leverage the power of effective storytelling to attract relevant opportunities and leads for your solutions. More case studies can be added through the form below. You're not limited to posting just case studies. You can even post videos, presentations, documents, and even just a captivating image. Conduct one-on-one pitches or even pitching events with a large audience consisting of your target personas, demonstrating your solutions in a live medium and engaging in interactive Q&A sessions. Both online and offline events can be set up. Pandemic or not, we've got you covered. More events can be added through the form below. In the final section, you will see a report of everything that you've added during the onboarding process, along with key details. Want to go back and edit some details? No problem. Click on the Preview and Edit button next to any use case, case study, or event. This will directly take you to the respective section where you can apply the necessary changes. Before proceeding further, I'd also like to mention that with the help of our intuitive user interface, you can finish up the entire onboarding process through a mobile device too. Publish your use cases, case studies, and events. Now, let's go live. Just sit back and relax while we notify your best fit prospects and check for their interest. You are now ready to send your first blast campaign. Click on Yes to reach out to your prospects. If you'd like to do it later, click on Maybe Later. Blast campaigns, one of the best-in-class features on our platform. Run blast campaigns for all your published use cases, case studies, and events directly from one window. The blast campaign dashboard can be accessed by clicking the button at the bottom right corner of your business page. This is the window you'll see after clicking on Blast Now in the campaign dashboard. Use keywords like designation, company name, function, industry, domain, or technology to generate lists of your ideal customer personas. Filters can also be used along with keywords to further refine your search results. As mentioned in the research segment earlier in the video, there are 4 types of prospects that you can send blast campaigns to. These are the best fit, proactive prospects, live prospects, and finally, other prospects. Do note, only one of the 4 lists can be sent emails in one blast, so you'll have to effectively send out 4 blast emails individually. Naturally, the quality of your emails will affect the level of response that you will receive. Follow the tips given on top of the window and draft customized email for your prospects. And then just click blast. It's that simple. You've run your blast campaigns and all your efforts have paid off. You're now seeing good interaction on your business page. To help you track this, we've housed all users who have shown interest in your startup in one location. You can filter them by active interest, which are prospects who have registered on your business page and shown interest, or by passive interest, which are prospects who have visited and interacted with your business page only. From here, you can either schedule a meeting or chat with these prospects, either individually or in a group, and get that business deal you've been waiting for. Now that we've got you prepped up and ready, let's get you started on your growth hacking journey. Head on over to our website and register for a free trial today.